Relief. When you're having a hard time breathing, can't stop coughing, or are experiencing chronic pain, you'll do just about anything to get it. This is even more true if the person in distress is a child. Unfortunately, most over-the-counter remedies that promise relief either fail to deliver or they come with potentially dangerous side effects, including dizziness or increased heart rate. They can also be habit-forming. And most child-oriented products are loaded with unhealthy chemicals, artificial flavors, and sweeteners. That's why, when you want real relief now, you need an all-natural remedy that you know you can trust. A high-quality blend of powerful ingredients, time-proven to be safe and effective for children and adults alike. A diverse collection of herbal remedies that work together to instantly improve breathing, calm coughs, relieve aches and pains, and cool sore throats. You need Olbas. For more than 100 years, Olbas herbal remedies have been recognized by health practitioners, athletes, and parents around the globe as the Swiss secret weapon in the fight to feel better. Originating in Basel, Switzerland, Olbas herbal remedies started with a unique blend of 6 essential oils that are proven to provide exceptional relief for many common ailments. The Olbas inhaler helps relieve the discomfort associated with colds and hay fever by naturally stimulating nasal passages with a cool, soothing sensation. Few products are as universally recognized for their effectiveness as Olbas Maximum Strength Pastilles and sugar-free lozenges, which calm coughing fits and reduce bronchial irritation, allowing you to breathe easier. Olbas cough syrup, made with pure wildflower honey, is specially formulated to bring pleasant-tasting, natural relief to kids, along with natural antioxidants that support their growing immune systems. Our instant herbal tea combines a blend of 20 soothing herbs that enhances breathing, calms upset stomachs, and provides a delicious, soothing sensation day or night. Olbas Herbal Bath and Analgesic Salve are also popular among athletes for their ability to help reduce the pain of backaches, arthritis, joint injuries, strains, and sprains. That's why the centuries-old Swiss secret is finally getting out.
My friend brought me a bottle of Olbas oil from Switzerland and told me to use it for back pain, headaches, and congestion. It is so awesome. It always works. I love it.
Your herbal inhaler allowed me to stop spending $100 a month on Claritin. Now, every time I hear a person complain about allergies or flu, they get my Olbas speech.
Safe, immediate relief, healthy, long-term immune system support, and proven Swiss quality you can trust. Olbas Herbal Remedies, giving you the power to breathe naturally.